This is the HPI Bullet 3.0 Nitro, and I think it might be the best 110 monster truck for both beginners and guys who just want to send it. Let's find out.
So guys, maybe you are a beginner and you need ease of use, ease of tuning, just an easy truck in all. This is first class. And if you're more of a basher and you prefer your parcels airmail, the HPI Bullet has got your back. Either way, this truck will deliver. Okay guys, I've put 25% nitro in here. I've also put a Nova Rossi plug-in, which you do not need to do. You can just put any old plug in these and they're fine. I'm going to give it a prime and a start. This one has been converted to roto start, so let's give it a prime. I can see fuel going through. Glow igniter. There we go guys. She is going. This truck, the HPI Bullet MT, the G3.0, ticks a lot of boxes. And whether you're team electric or team nitro, I think we can all agree that we're all team RC. I love nitro RC. I know that the arguments against it are it's smoky, it's noisy, but that's kind of the point for me. The other arguments are they're slower, and yes, of course, you can get a brushless motor to extraordinary speeds with extraordinary power. That is all true, but power is nothing without control. And when you think that this truck is in the 45 to 47 mile an hour range, as is the Savage, as is the X-Max, and as is the Kraton, they're all in the same kind of area. So really and truly, although you can make a brushless car go faster in a straight line, for the kind of driving that I enjoy, bashing, nitro is just the one for me. The whole experience, the immersive experience of it is the one I love. Anyway guys, if you stuck around to the end of the video, I'd like to thank you very much. Comment if you're nitro or electric. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see this doing more speed runs. As always, there'll be more videos from me here and here, and if you press my logo here, you can subscribe. Those who know Nitro, enjoy Nitro, will catch you on the next one. Take it easy.
It's your boy, Joey Nitro. Yeah, Joey Nitro.